Hey chef, what are you doing over there?
Cutting
What are you cutting?
potatoes
For what?
for soup.
What kind of soup?
Potato soup.
Ah, gotta be good. What else you gonna put in the soup?
First we put in potatoes. Then we're gonna do. Then we did the things.
Oh, right, what things?
The green thingies. I don't know what they're called.
Which one?
Celery.
Oh, there you go. Alright, what else? Anything else?
Chicken.
Ooh.
And I don't know what the rest is. But
Sounds good anyways.
I like doing this.
Awesome. You're gonna be chef?
One day,
Alright then.
just like my uncle.
Oh, that's what I like. Alright, oh, see ya.
See ya.